Hey guys, welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week, episode 180. I've got 5 print-on-demand niches for you to target to increase your sales in the near term, including a niche that is going to challenge the it's too late crowd, because I was uploading in this niche on Marielle's account, to be honest, my fiance. Gotta get used to saying that now. I was uploading to her account this week in this niche, and we made at least 10 sales, right? So I'm going to challenge the it's too late crowd and show you what this niche was. It's going to be niche number 1, so be ready. Let's get to it. First things first, how about an Amazon merch sales update? I hope you guys have seen a nice uptick in sales recently. I don't even really target the big trends in my account. I honestly sell in just evergreens, and I'm seeing a nice uptick. I sold 467 products in the last 7 days, making $1,661 on the US market and around another maybe $200 in the international markets. By the way, my ad spend is between $2 and $3 a day. On the first of every month, I do a monthly recap that includes my ad spend, in case you're wondering. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, linked in the description. That is where I post that update. All right, here is the top 10 currently on Amazon merch. By the way, do these sell on Etsy as well? Yes, they do. By the way, on Amazon merch, if you try to upload the crayon shirts or the M&M shirts, you're going to get a rejection. I'm not selling either of those, but if I was going to sell them, if I felt compelled, I would be way more likely to do it on Etsy than on Amazon merch, where I know they get rejected. So I'm just saying. So here are the top 10. Let's get to niche number 1, though. All right. Again, this is going to challenge some of the traditional beliefs of the it's too late crowd, who thinks you have to target every niche 2 months early. Like, there's nothing wrong with doing that, but context matters. When you're going to be 2 months early to a niche, it's probably because you think you're going to be the number 1 organic best ranking product when you're in peak sales season. But that doesn't mean you can't upload closer to peak demand and still make sales. I mentioned that on Marielle's account, we're making daily sales with Halloween designs, niche number 1, Halloween, that we just uploaded. Now, the Halloween designs that we uploaded are costume related. Okay, they're literally saying like, this is my costume type shirts. Okay, but I want to recommend as niche number 1, a better sub niche within Halloween that really popped off in 2020. And that is the Karen Speak to Manager Halloween designs. Like, we're in 2023. It's still popping off. It's still popular. The number 1 bestseller is actually targeting, like, if you can see the keywords behind me, the search terms that it's ranking really high on, provided by Podly. This looks like it was uploaded in 2022. Okay, so just saying, in 2022, that meant that you had 2020, 2021, and 2022 being the 3rd year. And guess what? Now they're the number 1 ranked on this niche in 2023. So who's to say you can't upload to this niche in 2023 and then be rank 1 in 2024? Right? I'm guessing we'll still be talking about this a year from today. So Karen Speak to Manager, I want that to be the number 1 niche. And if you're in tier 10 Amazon merch, you can for sure still be selling Halloween, as I proved recently. Not that you can't also upload 2 months early to other niches. I'm just saying. It gets overblown, guys. Context matters. Niche number 2 this week, Dia de los Muertos. All right, I'm looking for the bigger niches and allowing you guys to do your own sub-niche research. Obviously, in Halloween, there's a million sub-niches. Dia de los Muertos, it might be a little bit more straightforward. These sugar skulls, what are they called? They're called like Cavaleras or something like that. I can't believe I forgot. Either way, clearly they are popular in the Dia de los Muertos designs. And the colors in them are like vibrant and amazing, honestly. All right, niche number 3. Oops, before we get to niche number 3, quick plug for my free print-on-demand course. It is linked in the description. It's 20 days of lessons, and it is very thorough and very good to help you get started. Please take advantage. And join my print-on-demand Facebook group as well, a great place to network with other POD sellers. Linked in the description. Niche number 3, how about we look forward to Thanksgiving, and how about some Thanksgiving pregnancy shirts? There's actually a whole bunch of ways to attack this niche. And don't overlook selling to both the mom and the dad, right? Sell to both. So don't just lose sight and only sell to the moms, even though they're most likely, in my opinion, to make the most sales. But there's also like one thankful dad to be, right? at the end over there, the guy behind the stuffing. Like, there's a lot of opportunity in this. This is just one of many sub niches of Thanksgiving, but I think it's a fun one. Lots of different ways to get in there. Look, there's a lot of graphics that you put over the stomach. You have like the pumpkin in there, the pumpkin pie, the turkey, the baby feet. There's lots of different ways. One's pumpkins, football, and baby bumps. I love that one. For the football fans, like I've mentioned in previous episodes, there's always 3 NFL games on Thanksgiving. It doesn't mean you should be selling NFL. It just means, hey, some people like myself think of Thanksgiving. I look forward more to football than the food, honestly. I'm not a turkey guy. I've also mentioned that before, famously. I'm not a turkey guy on Thanksgiving, but hey, football is always there to make me feel better. So niche number 3, Thanksgiving pregnancy shirts. And by the way, just a quick note, if you upload the Thanksgiving pregnancy shirts for the women, right, with the baby designs on the stomach, consider remembering not to check the male checkbox so that you get the female shirt rendering, which I think looks better for the pregnancy shirts as well. If you guys didn't know, on Amazon merch, they have a different like shirt mock-up for the female shirts versus the male shirts, okay? All right, niche number 4 this week. I just kept it very generic, very high level to show you how I might attack finding sub niches in the Thanksgiving niche. I typed in funny Thanksgiving. Look at all the sub niches that rank on funny Thanksgiving. There's a wide variety. You have I came in like a butterball. You have guess what? Turkey butt. You have Thanksgiving with my nomies. You get the turkey face with the aviators. You got the turkey on a plate and says I'm a breast man. You've got a leopard print pumpkin, because of course you do. The leopard print on every niche. You have a turkey twerking called Twerky. That's pretty funny. You have WTF, wine turkey family. You have Friendsgiving. And behind me, you have a turkey holding a sign that says eat pizza. Guys, there's a million different Thanksgiving sub niches. Go in there, attack them, get some designs listed. If you guys caught my video from Friday, I talk about how if you've done the research and the design and the SEO optimization, which is usually pretty simple if you just keep it simple, upload to every platform possible. You're leaving so much money on the table if you're only uploading to Etsy or only uploading to Amazon, right? You need to get on all of the platforms. It's so simple. People overlook that it's literally like open your seller account, integrate. So maybe you're like, let's just say it doesn't need to take an hour, but let's just round up and we'll say it takes an hour. In reality, it should take like 10 minutes to open a seller account. If it's Amazon, you have a little bit of a waiting period. The integration with, Printful is like 2 clicks. 2 clicks. It's the same as clicking now. Like they simplified it. It's like Etsy now. So anyways, guys, I'm challenging you in the 4th quarter to please upload to all platforms. Like I want you to succeed. Sometimes I worry. It's like I might want people to succeed more than they want themselves to succeed, because you see people in the comments like, oh, I need to do that. It's like, well, instead of commenting that you need to do it, just go do it. I mean, I love the comments, by the way, but I'm saying go do it now. Don't talk about it or think about it. Just actually do it. All right, that's the rant for today. Check out my video from Friday. It was a good one. I'll link it in the description. All right, niche number 5, Friendsgiving. Don't overlook Friendsgiving. You might be like, but Ryan, isn't Thanksgiving and Friendsgiving, there's a lot of overlap there. Sure. But when it comes to SEO, search engine optimization, Friendsgiving is a keyword that will drive traffic to your listings if it makes sense contextually. Like you don't want to put Friendsgiving on listings that people who are looking for Friendsgiving shirts aren't going to buy, because that's going to not perform well and it's going to negatively impact your listing. But maybe you upload the same Thanksgiving design twice. Maybe you upload it once and index it on Thanksgiving. Maybe you upload it again and index it on Friendsgiving. I'm just saying theoretically, right? Or take your designs like this, Friendsgiving Squad, literally make one that says Thanksgiving Squad and one that says Friendsgiving Squad. It's so simple, right? The one thing I would say do not do anything with the Friends logo, the Friends TV show logo. As you can see here, the one I'm pointing to over my shoulder, they are definitely trying to make a play on the Friends TV show logo. I would not do that. All right, let's pick this up. I got friends coming over to watch football. Speaking of Friendsgiving, football today. All right, emerging trends. These are shirts that are outperforming their 30-day average BSR significantly, which could be indicative of future trends. In this case, it looks like a lot of, what you'd expect. Halloween, Dia de los Muertos, mainly Halloween. Then, of course, you've got the Taylor. I can only imagine why people would be buying a shirt that says Taylor. I just can't figure it out. I don't know. What is it? If you know, let me know in the comments. Why is the word Taylor so popular in print on demand this year? I'm kidding. All right, looking ahead, here we go. These are all minor trends. Well, I can't say minor, but there are a lot of them are just like random, overlooked, smaller holiday trends, at least 1 month out. So November 22nd, National Jukebox Day. Anybody wondering what date Thanksgiving falls on this year. It is November 23rd, so Thanksgiving. The day after, November 24th, Black Friday. Then 25th, Small Business Saturday. And then the 27th, Cyber Monday, after a day of a breather on that Sunday. All right, and here's the archive. These are the designs that were selling really well 11 months ago to the day. 11 months ago, which means if we project 1 month into the future, if you think the past is a good indicator of what will be trending a month from now, check these out. And what do you know? A lot of Thanksgiving stuff. And then you might have like a USA Soccer there, but I would not. That looks like it's deleted anyways. And that guy could have also gotten their account shut down. Those are not the type of designs I would be selling. Anything related to like pro sports. But the rest of them look pretty safe. Mainly a lot of Thanksgiving stuff. So I know you guys could have probably guessed that, but there it is. And here are removed designs to wrap up. These were all removed either by Amazon or by the sellers in the last 2 weeks. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Quick reminder, my full print-on-demand course will walk you through my complimentary approach to making passive income online through print-on-demand that makes me six-figure profit every year since 2019 without outlier success. I don't need a rank 1 bestseller in any niche. I'm doing it literally a very practical way that can be replicated. You can learn my full research, design, automation, how to open all of your seller accounts on Walmart, on Amazon, on Etsy, eBay, etc. It's all there. It's linked in the description if you want to learn from me. If not, whatever. I wish you the best of luck. It's all good. And my private community, I do multiple live streams a week. If you want to join, link in the description. By the way, your first month to join, I will give you free Etsy listings that exceed the value. So you're literally getting the first month free. All right. And I think you'll like it and you'll probably want to stay another month based on everybody else that's currently in the community. But that's linked in the description, guys. Thank you so much. It's crunch time. I get real serious about my money. You know what I mean? It's the fourth quarter. This is the time to be disciplined, to buckle down, to reduce distractions. I need my 8 hours of sleep, but I'm willing to lose an hour of sleep sometimes in the fourth quarter to get a little bit of extra work done because I know it's like the immediate gratification time, right? Where the sales spikes are insane. You already saw my merch sales are up quite a bit and it's October and I'm not even selling in the Halloween niche. I was selling on Marielle's account in Halloween, not mine. So guys, thank you for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.